right, we'll get started. Tonight we got 2016 Absolute. We got 2019 Prestige. We got 2018 Absolute. We got 2019 Score. Then we got 2 packs. We got 2020 Certified and 2020 Donruss Elite. And we'll just start with the 2016. All right, we got Stream Team, Richard Sherman for the Seahawks. We got Jameis Winston, Frank Gore. We got Aaron Rodgers. We got Dion Lewis, Marcus Mariota. We got RG3 and Jeremy Langford. We got Kenny Lawler. We got Mark Ingram, DeAndre Hopkins, Clay Matthews, Phillip Rivers, Matthew Stafford, Melvin Gordon, and Tavon Austin. Got Red Zone, Odell Beckham Jr. Got Case Keenum, Matt Forte, Victor Cruz, Brandon Marshall. We got Tony Romo, Brandon Cooks, and J.J. Watt. All right, we got Unsung Heroes, Ezekiel Ansah. Got Ryan Matthews, T.Y. Hilton, Eddie Lacy, Steve Smith, Marco Murray. Got Luke Kalicki and Todd Gurley. All right, we got Marcus Mariota on the Extreme Team. Got Jeremy Hill, Richard Sherman, C.J. Anderson. We got Amir Abdullah, Travis Benjamin, Carson Palmer, and Gronk. Got Torrey Smith, parallel. We got Matt Jones, Tyrod Taylor, T.J. Yeldon, Teddy Bridgewater. Got Dez Bryant, Cam Newton, and Big Ben. Sorry, guys. All right, we got Russell Wilson, Red Zone. Got Doug Martin. We got Alshon Jeffrey. We got Alex Smith, Dorial Green Beckham, Matt Ryan. Got Duke Johnson and Tom Brady for the Patriots. What's going on, Peter? Long time no see, man. And Red Zone, Russell Wilson. And we got a rookie roundup, Carson Wentz, A.J. Green, Colin Kaepernick, Demaryius Thomas, Zach Ertz. Got Derek Carr, David Johnson, and Ryan Tannehill. Man, he's had a good start for the season. And Carson Wentz, rookie roundup. All right, we'll do 2019 Prestige. Right, we got Melvin Gordon, Nick Chubb, Chris Carson, got J.J. Watt, got Tom Brady, Shaq Lawson, Juju on the highlight reel, and Emmanuel Butler. Got Dalvin Cook, Kirk Cousins, Allen Robinson. Got Alvin Kamara, Alshon Jeffrey, Stephon Gilmore. Got extra points of Le'Veon Bell, parallel, and a David Montgomery rookie for the Bears. Got Denzel Ward, Michael Thomas, Eddie Jackson. Got Chris Herndon, Russell Wilson, Joe Mixon. Got Leighton Vander Esch, Rising Stars, and Karan Higdon. Got Jordan Howard, Evan Ingram, Saquon, Mark Ingram, Chris Thompson. Got Carson Wentz. Got Juju on the extra points for Pittsburgh, and Travis Fulgham, Kids Reporter. Cam Newton, Rex Burkhead, Josh Allen, Royce Freeman, Nick Foles, Calvin Ridley. Got Todd Gurley on the powerhouse, and Trace McSorley rookie. Got A.J. Bouye, DeAndre Hopkins, Kenny Golladay, Zach Ertz, Will Fuller. Got Taysom Hill. We got Deshaun Watson on the impressions, and Darrell Henderson, rookie. Got Travis Kelce, got Vance McDonald, D.D. Westbrook, Marcel Atman, T.Y. Hilton, and we got for the, see, it's for the, for the Steelers, James Conner, patch. Alma Mater. And we got Patrick Holmes on the Prestigious Pros, and a Josh Allen rookie. All right, Jason Pierre-Paul, Trenton Canyon, Jameis Winston, Deshaun Jackson, got Tyler Higbee, Derrick Henry, and another banner, another Patrick Mahomes banner season. And I believe that's a parallel too. And a Kyler Murray rookie for the Cardinals. Kyler Murray. That's a nice one. We'll do 2019 score. All right, Jordan Wilkins, Marlon Mack. We got Dak, Vernon Davis. We got Johnny Hecker, Tevin Coleman, Buda Baker, and all hands team, Mike Williams. We got Jared Goff. And rookies, we got Dexter Lawrence, Dexter Williams, and Jalen Smith. We got Baker, Demaryius Thomas. Got Le'Veon Bell, Alex Smith, Terrell Edmonds. We got Latavius Murray. And we got a patch. Pro Bowl jerseys of Xavier Rhodes. Got signal callers, Cam Newton. And we got a DK Metcalf, Preston Williams, Deontay Thompson, and Noah Fant. DK Metcalf. Mark Andrews, Tahir Whitehead. We got Josh Adams, Trey Burton, Josh Rosen. We got Aaron Rodgers. And we got Patrick Mahomes on the Epics. Saquon Barkley on the Epics. Eli Manning. We got Riley Ridley, Dylan Mitchell, and Rashawn Gary. Third, Patrick Mahomes. Got Wesley Woodard, Von Miller, Kyle Van Noy. Got Khalil Mack, Jameis Winston, Frank Clark, Mario Addison. Got throwback of Adrian Peterson. Got a huddle up, the Kansas City Chiefs. And the rookies are going to be Damian Harris, Alexander Madison, and Darrell Henderson. Nyheim Hines, another Patrick Mahomes, Isaiah Crowell, Trent Williams, Darren Lee, Kyle Juszczyk, Got Keenan Allen, gold parallel. Signal callers, Mitchell Trubisky. And the rookies are going to be Ed Oliver, Jahase Polite, DK Metcalf, and O'Shane Exams. Keenan. And Patrick Mahomes. And another Patrick Mahomes. That's the fifth one. Kevin Byard, Bradley Chubb, Golden Tate, James Conner, Demonte Kazee, Corey Littleton, got Keelan Cole, All Hands Team, got Big Ben, Fantasy Stars. Then we got Trace McSorley, Darius Slayton, and Danny Dimes. We got John Brown, Jordan Hicks, Alexander Villanova, Danielle Hunter, Josh Bynes, Blake Martinez, DJ Moore, parallel, Drew Brees on the Epics, Kyle Rudolph, captains. We got Travis Homer, Darwin Thompson, and Gardner Minshew, rookie. Got Jared Cook, Tyler Eifert, Xavier Howard, Allen Robinson, James White, Adam Humphries. We got Jack Doyle, got Signal Callers, Jared Goff, got Dalvin Cook on the celebration. And we got Marquise Brown, Terry Godwin, and LJ Scott. Kiki Kute, Denzel Ward, Josh Doctson, Sam Darnold, Traquan Smith, Bobby Wagner. Then we got Nasir Adderley. Throwbacks, Aaron Rodgers. We got Drew Lock, rookie. Or actually it's the draft. Drew Lock draft. Julian Love, Elijah Holyfield, and Byron Murphy. Andrew Luck, Jabril Peppers, Jaya, Leonard Williams, DJ Moore, Pierre Garcon, Devonta Freeman. Got Zeke on the Epics for the Cowboys, DeAndre Hopkins. And we got Kyle Schumer, Ed Oliver, and Karan Higdon. Got Darius Leonard, Carson Wentz, Big Ben, Landon Collins. Got Brandon Cooks, Dalvin Cook, Kirk Cousins, All Hands Team, DeAndre Hopkins. Let's see, we got James Conner on the Fantasy Stars. Got TJ Hawkinson, little Jordan Humphrey, and Mac Wilson. TJ Hawkinson. All right, we'll do 2020 certified hobby pack. Patrick Mahomes, I think that's number 6. Allen Robinson, Michael Thomas. Out of 399, we got Derrick Brown's rookie. Spacer. And we got Patrick Mahomes, sealed approval. So what is that, number 7 of Patrick Mahomes? It's most definitely Patrick Mahomes night. And Derrick Brown out of 399. And Patrick Mahomes one more time. Hey, what's going on, Dustin? All right, 2020 Donruss Elite hobby pack. We got Matt Ryan, Darius Leonard, and we got the Tidal Waves, Steve Young, Mark Ingram, and Christian McCaffrey. All right, 2018 Absolute. Oh, sorry guys, hitting the camera. Open on the top, but I guess not. There it is. I got 4 packs. Got Larry Fitzgerald. Got Kirk Cousins. Andy Dalton. Got Jacoby Brissett, Deshaun Watson, Derrick Henry, got Aaron Donald, Zay Jones, Vita Vea, rookie card, and we got Cam Newton, late game heroics, and Kid Reporter. All right, we got Chris Thompson, Keenan Allen, Greg Olsen, Alvin Kamara, Jameis Winston, Tyreek Hill, Alex Collins, Derrick Henry, got Logan Woodside, rookie card, and James Washington introductions. Got Jonathan Stewart, Case Keenum, Jimmy G. Got Chris Hogan, Jarvis Landry. Got Alshon Jeffrey, Jimmy Graham, Marcus Mariota. And we got a patch of Courtland Sutton for the Broncos. Rookie Force. And we got Tyreek Hill covering ground and Kid Reporter. Alright, last pack, guys. Hopefully there's an auto in here. T.Y. Hilton, David Johnson, Devontae Parker. Got Le'Veon Bell. Got Todd Gurley, LaShawn McCoy. We got Golden Tate. Aaron Donald, and Iconic Ink, That's Steve McMichael for the Bears. And we got 1-2 punch of DeAndre Hopkins, Deshaun Watson. Alright guys, I'll do a quick recap. TJ Hawkinson, Drew Lock, Gardner Minshew, Patrick Mahomes, Daniel Jones, Patrick Mahomes, Keenan Allen, parallel, DK Metcalf, Alexander Madison, rookie roundup of Carson Wentz, Epics of Saquon Barkley, DK Metcalf, Noah Fant, got Xavier Rhodes patch, Tom Brady, David Montgomery, got Odell Beckham, red zone, Josh Allen, Russell Wilson, red zone. Got Conic Inc., Steve McMichael. Got Patrick Mahomes. Tidal Wave, Steve Young. Patrick Mahomes. Derek Brown, out 399. Patrick Mahomes. Patrick Mahomes. We got James Conner patch, Alma Mater. Got a Patrick Mahomes Prestigious Pros. Cortland Sutton patch. And Kyler Murray, rookie. All right, guys, that's all we got tonight. We'll be back tomorrow night. Hope to see you then. Thanks.